Lesson 4. The 7 PRINCE2 processes, agile in every stage. If PRINCE2's principles are the compass, and the themes are the toolkit, then the processes are the step-by-step journey you follow from the start to the finish of a project. Let's walk through each of these 7 processes and see how agile delivery practices fit in, seamlessly, in most cases. E7 PRINCE2 processes. PRINCE2 uses a structured approach, breaking a project into clearly defined stages with formal activities. Here are the 7 processes. Starting up a project, SU. Directing a project, DP. Initiating a project, IP. Controlling a stage, CS. Managing product delivery, MP. Managing a stage boundary, SB. Closing a project, CP. We'll now break them down one by one, what each does, and how agile ways of working fit in. 1. Starting up a project, SU. Purpose: decide whether the project is viable before investing too much time or money. Key activities include appointing the project team, creating the outline business case, identifying risks, planning the initiation stage. Agile fit. Agile encourages early exploration and minimal upfront planning. In SU, agile behaviors like collaboration and rich communication help define vision quickly. For example, agile tools like lightweight business cases, personas, or vision boards can support this stage. Exam tip: the project doesn't officially start here, this is pre-project planning. 2. Directing a project, DP. Purpose: enable the project board to make key decisions and provide direction, without being involved in day-to-day management. Responsibilities include authorizing stages, approving exception plans, escalating major risks. Agile fit. Agile teams are autonomous, but they still need clear strategic direction. The project board can support agile teams by focusing on value delivery and stage-level oversight, while trusting the team to make detailed decisions. Agile helps reduce escalations by resolving issues within empowered teams, in line with the PRINCE2 manage by exception principle. 3. Initiating a project, IP. Purpose: establish a solid foundation before delivering any work. In this process, we create the full business case, define governance controls, identify how quality, risks, and issues will be managed, prepare the project initiation documentation, PID. Agile fit. Agile doesn't favor big upfront planning, so PRINCE2 Agile allows the PID to be lightweight and flexible. Instead of detailed documentation, Agile teams may use Agile charters, product vision documents, backlog outlines, simple communication plans. The goal is enough control without waste. Exam tip: this is the first official stage of the project in PRINCE2. 4. Controlling a stage, CS. Purpose: manage delivery day to day, stage by stage, on behalf of the project board. Key actions: authorize work packages, monitor progress, deal with issues and risks, report to the project board. Agile fit. This is where sprints, stand-ups, burn-down charts, and task boards shine. Agile teams operate in short iterations within each stage. The project manager stays out of the daily tasks but ensures alignment to objectives, tolerances, and reporting requirements. PRINCE2 Agile promotes visual management and collaborative tools to help track progress in real time. 5. Managing product delivery, MP. Purpose: control the development and delivery of products. This process focuses on accepting work packages, executing work, delivering completed products to the project manager. Agile fit: this is the core of agile delivery. Teams use Scrum to organize tasks, Kanban to visualize flow, Moscow to prioritize requirements. Continuous integration and definition of done for quality. Agile teams can operate with high autonomy here, as long as they deliver according to the agreed work package and quality criteria. Important: Agile doesn't remove the need for structured handoffs, it just makes them lighter and more frequent. 6. Managing a stage boundary, SB. Purpose: review the stage, update plans, and decide whether to proceed. Actions include assessing performance, updating the business case, creating the next stage plan, asking for project board approval to continue. Agile fit: this can align with release planning or major retrospectives. Agile delivery provides real performance data, like velocity or customer feedback, that supports decision-making. Rather than pausing everything for a long review, PRINCE2 Agile encourages a lean, informed checkpoint using agile metrics and team insights. Exam tip: this is when the business case is formally reviewed for continued justification. 7. Closing a project, CP. Purpose: confirm that all project objectives have been met and the project can be formally closed. Verifying product acceptance plus verifying product acceptance. Capturing lessons learned. Releasing resources. Closing logs and registers. Agile fit: Agile promotes continuous delivery, so not all projects have a big bang ending. PRINCE2 Agile encourages incremental closure, where products are accepted along the way. Retrospectives also help gather lessons as the project progresses, not just at the end. Final message: closure can be gradual, but must be structured to ensure accountability. Summary: Agile touchpoints across the 7 processes. PRINCE2 Process Agile Integration Highlights. Starting up a project: lightweight business case, collaboration. Directing a project: empowered teams, manage by exception. Initiating a project: simple charters, lean governance. Controlling a stage: iterative delivery, stand-ups, visual tracking. Managing product delivery: sprints, Kanban, definition of done. Managing a stage boundary: agile metrics for go/no-go decisions. Closing a project: incremental closure, continuous learning. Exam tips for processes. Expect scenario-based questions. What process is responsible for authorizing a new stage? Know which process owns which decisions. Understand how agile ceremonies and tools map to each process. Be familiar with how control and delivery are balanced. Final thought: PRINCE2 processes provide structure and accountability. Agile provides speed, flexibility, and real-time feedback. In PRINCE2 Agile, the two aren't in conflict. They're complementary. Each process becomes a container for agile delivery, not a restriction. If you remember who does what, when, and why, and you understand how Agile improves communication and delivery, you'll be in great shape for the exam. In Lesson 5, we'll talk about the Agilometer, a tool unique to PRINCE2 Agile that helps you assess how agile a project can really be. Thanks for listening to PRINCE2 Agile in 10 Lessons. I'll see you next time.